Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can enable terms and conditions for iCheck-In. This feature is helpful and will allow you to set up your own terms and conditions that a guardian will need to acknowledge each time they sign their child in to the service. To enable this feature, you're going to click on your service menu and under Configuration, click on Settings. Then you're going to click on the iCheck-In menu and scroll down to Guardian Terms and Conditions. By default, this is blank. So to add your terms and conditions, click on this setting and add your terms and conditions you wish to use, and then click Save. This is a global setting, and these terms and conditions will apply for each guardian when they log in to iCheck-In using their credentials and when signing a child in. So once the guardian signs into iCheck-In, if there are any iCheck-In messages, they will receive this message first, so they can read this message and then continue. And once they get to the sign in and click Save, they will view the service terms and conditions that you have set in the Guardian Terms and Conditions setting. They can click Continue to acknowledge those terms and conditions, or they can simply click Cancel. They cannot move forward and sign their child or children into the service until they have clicked Continue. This will then sign the children in automatically and then log the guardian out. The terms and conditions are not visible when a guardian signs their child out of the service. It is only visible for when they sign their child into the service. If you would like any more information on our terms and conditions setting in iCheck-In, please do not hesitate to reach out to the Kidsoft customer success team. You may also like to look at our additional video tutorials in our YouTube channel for more tips on Kidsoft. Thank you.